Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So I just wanted to come with this quick video to show you what happened after some heavy rain. It wasn't even a storm, and wind. My green stock tower toppled over, so I'm sad about that. And garbage is turned over here. These are pretty much still intact, except look at the banana plant. Everything looks like it's uprooted. And this was not even a storm. Look at this. Look here. My corn falling down. Look at that. Things toppled over. Tomato plants on the ground. I've never seen something like this before, so it's very strange. Everything just looks crazy. Lord, look at this. This plant here got toppled over. I had this on here because it was cold for the last couple of days. My onion plants over here. This is sad. We have onions shooting up. Mint. Okay, I'm gonna set everything back up and start recording again. So all my fall seeds that I started in the green stock over here have like toppled over. All right.